Hey, what's up, my peeps? Special Ed here. Got a new project going on. Post-Christmas, post-New Year's Eve. We're going to do some, you might tell from the echo, we're going to do some bathroom work. We're going to redo this entire bathroom. We're going to take out the vanity. We're going to replace the toilet. We are going to take out the surround. I already started taking just a little bit of the quarter round trim. So this is all going to come out, all the plumbing. We found some stick-on tile at a yard sale, and it actually worked pretty well for a little while. Started pulling it up, as you can see. So stick around, I'll give you some snippets here and there, and show you how we do it. All right, there it is. There's the floor. See the quarter rounds out all the way. Some of these stuck pretty good. Some of them were just sitting in there. That's the thing about these peeling sticks. They even some of the individual tiles themselves. Some of the pieces were really stuck, and half the piece was just hanging off. So, but I took the threshold off. It was just a little gold strip. I don't know. It looks 1987, which is when the house was built. But got it stripped. I guess I'm gonna have to go for the toilet next, or the surround. It's a big step, so I'm gonna save it for tomorrow after dinner, or maybe tonight. I'm going to dinner with my son. So see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. I know you love action shots, so here's the action of the door opening up to the construction site. You see, I got my tools, got my reciprocating, I do have a reciprocating saw. I have my little oscillating tool. I've got some pliers. I have, of course, tape measure. I have my magic marker. I have a pry bar. And we have a mess in here because we have removed the drywall around the flange, and what you'll see is all the way around. There is a flange, and it is nailed to the studs. So that's next. We're gonna take those nails out. I did start the cut with the reciprocating saw, and I wanted to do threes. One thing I will tell you, point of emphasis, don't start directly in the corner. There's a stud there. And there's actually, over here in this corner, there's actually a buildup of fiberglass in this corner that pokes out. So it makes it more difficult to cut. So what I would suggest, don't cut this part. Just go over here, cut somewhat, somewhat to the right or left of that corner stud. Cut down, probably left would be better so you don't have to deal with this ledge. And then cut it over, and you'll have one piece cut out. You're going to run into another stud, but at least this stuff will crack. So you can, if you get it close, you can just crack it off. Also, you've got some plumbing to deal with. I've got to get my screwdriver up here, take a couple caps off. This one is done. Also, recommendation number 2. Give yourself some more room. Take more drywall out than you think you're going to need, because I want to pry those nails out, and I may have said screws earlier, they're nails. I want to pry them out, and the drywall that's there is going to get crushed. So I'm going to end up cutting more of that drywall out anyway, or filling in with mud. So give yourself some room. You got to stick a pry bar in there, hammer it out. So there's phase 2, I guess you'd call it. Be back in a bit. And we're back. Hey, you didn't even realize there was a huge break between 454 and 455. But actually, it's been quite a few months. Few reasons for that, and I'll tell you that in a second. Before I get into the reveal, don't forget, like and subscribe. Ask questions, comments, whatever you like. Let's go ahead and switch here. We're pretty excited about what's happened. See if we can switch this camera. Shoop. Are we still recording? So we took the carpet out of the stairs. We painted the risers and we stained the runs. Pretty cool. We found some nice pine under there. It's got some lots of cool imperfections that we liked. So we also put the sliding barn door on. Love that. Fits great. I want to say that's a 5-foot span. Everything came out really, really well. We also redid the floors, and those came out super nice too. But let me get to the bathroom here for you guys, and you can see the end result. Let's start with the shower. We got a new surround in there. It's three-piece, 4-piece, 2-piece, I forget which. But we went with some decent hardware, and if you remember, the drywall was pretty painful. So I ended up pulling all the wall drywall out, and I thought, well, while we're here, let's go ahead and take the popcorn ceiling out. So we did that, and we put in a much smaller vanity. Not sure what's in there right now, but Q-tips. We've got a lot more room in here. This is our tile. We just came up with a dry fit design that worked really well, and removed the toilet. The old toilet, had that reinstalled, or installed a new one, and just did some some pretty flowers hanging and new lighting and a towel rack. So we're super happy with it. And let me switch it back. So the reason we had this delay was because Melanie and I have decided to start our own real estate business, our own corporation. It's called Perfetto Realty Group, and we're going to change the name of the YouTube channel. So if you notice that, that's why. We're going to be doing more videos like that, but on our homes. We'll be doing some showings. We'll be doing some, fun snippets for Facebook and obviously for all of our subscribers. And so we hope everyone is well. Hope you enjoyed this full-blown redo of the guest bathroom. And we'll talk to you again soon. Bye.